I'm just going to start to play. Put your yellow by itself on your scrap piece of paper and just see what that looks like. Add a bit more water. I'm scooping up some water. I'm just seeing how light that can go. How dark and how light can I make that yellow? And I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to make a purple. I'm going to make a bluey purple on this side, and I'm going to mix it with I'm going to go over here and I'm going to make a reddish purple on this side. I just want to see what kind of yellows I can make. Can I make that beautiful yellow ochre looking yellow with this combo? I've got a reddish purple, and I can add a little bit more blue if I want. I don't want it to be too red, or when I mix it with the yellow, I'm really going to get an orange. I do sort of want to get an orangey color. So I'm going to just take a bit of this now, a little bit of yellow there. I'm sort of getting a neutralized kind of orange. I'm going to test it here. It's a nice color. I do see it in my painting. I do see it. It's more of an orangey red. I'm going to take this color some more. I'm going to add more yellow to it. There, look at that. All I did was add more yellow to it, and I'm going to just put it here. I'm going to add a little bit more water to it. I'm taking another brush, clean brush, scooping up some water, and I'm just going to see what does this color look like when I add more water to it. So I'm going to just add more water to it, pull it out, and see how light that goes. And I can see that it's giving me some nice yellows that I might be able to use in this painting. They're very neutralized. Someone might also say that they're oranges. They're very yellowy oranges that are neutralized, which would both be true. You can just add a little more water here and there just to see. I love to see how the colors change as they dry a little bit. And what if I want to make it darker, even more neutralized? I see some greeny on my printout around the face, right underneath the chin, like underneath the beak, like. I'm really sensing a greeny yellow there. But it's really in shade. So what if I try to get that? Let me try to get that greeny yellow. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to clean my brush again. I'm just going to take a bit of this yellow again. I'm going to put it here. Whoops, you can hardly see that. I'm going to move this up a bit. There, so there's my green yellow, straight out of the tube. And I'm going to make the shadow color there, right by the beak. So I'm mixing it up really good, right up into my brush. Really good. No clumps and not too much water. And then I'm going to, I'm just going to take another brush. I'm going to so it's very greeny. So I'm thinking again, I got to think purple, right? Because I'm neutralizing a yellow. This bird is a neutralized yellow. So I need to make a purple. But this time I want my purple to be a bit more bluey because I want my shadow to be more greeny. Here we made it more reddish purple because we want it to be more orangey. Here we want our shadow to be more greeny. So I'm going to make a purpley, a very bluey purple. So I don't want it to be very green, so I've got to add a bit of red, because if I just add blue to this, it's going to be very green. I want it to be a neutralized green, but we're not even thinking really green, we're thinking neutralized purple. So I've got a bluish purple, and I don't know if this is good enough, and you're going to try your best, and you're going to make a purple that's on the bluish side, not the reddish side. And we're going to pull a little bit, I'm going to put a little bit into here. Wow, what a beautiful neutralized green that is. It's a gorgeous green. It's very neutralized. I don't know if it's the right color. I'm going to put it at the edge of my paper here. Wow, it's beautifully neutralized. It looks different here than it will on your paper. But that's gorgeous. And since I put it at the edge of my paper, I can kind of look and compare. Yeah, look at, it's pretty close.